the democracy of our nation and whether we truly have the opportunity to make free choices.
Miario ya munini wa President William Ruto ya kuuga marenda hahu kwaya gugakorwo na wuici wa kura hindi ya githurano kia mweri wa kanana no ithiete na mbere kwambatĩria ũrugarĩ wa kĩũteti. Rĩu kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC ĩkĩingĩrĩra ndereti ĩno. Muikariri gĩtĩ wa kamiti ĩno Wafula Chebukati akĩaria hindi ya mũcemanio na ikundi cia andĩki a mohoro mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Nakuru. Niaugite nimarathugunda guthuthuria Ruto nĩguo mamenye kihumo kia uma wa miario ĩno.
I've not read what is said in detail, but as a commission, all candidates, all aspirants, we don't have candidates yet, all aspirants are bound by the code of conduct, and we shall look at his statement and we shall investigate and we shall report to the people of Kenya.
Chebukati oigite kamiti yake kiwatho nĩ ĩtĩkĩrĩtio guthuthuria mĩario ta ĩno. Rĩu Ruto agĩtanywo kũhũngwo mahũri thutha wake kũrĩkĩrĩria iceera rĩake rĩa thikũ 12 mabũrũri-ini ma Amerika na Ngeretha.
We have our own framework and the team, investigation team will tell us how long that will be. But we are aware that the time is of essence.
Hindi ya ndereti arĩ bũrũri-inĩ wa Amerika, Ruto nĩ okĩrĩire thirikari nĩ kwenderera ahũranĩri amwe a gĩturwa kĩa o president.
The biggest issue that is on the ballot is the democracy of our nation and whether we truly have the opportunity to make free choices devoid of blackmail, threats and intimidation. And that's a matter that many Kenyans, in fact, if you understand a bit of Kiswahili, that's what informs the current push by many Kenyans to say hatupangwingwi, meaning we want to make our choices without being choreographed or chaperoned or blackmailed or intimidated.
Mwena-inĩ wao atongoria a ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja nĩ mokĩrĩire mĩario ya Ruto makiuga ici nĩ ndariri cia kuonania nĩ aretigĩra gũkahotwo gĩthurano-inĩ.
Discussions respecting this memorandum.
Hindi ya gĩikaro gĩkĩ Chebukati nĩ ahete a Kenya kĩĩranĩro atĩ gĩthurano gĩgakorwo kĩrĩ kĩama na waragania, akĩũria andĩki a mohoro kũnyita itemi harĩ gũteithĩrĩria kamiti ĩno.
As a commission, we are sure that the results as announced at polling station are final. They'll be availed to you. They'll be availed to the agents of all the candidates. They'll be availed to anybody who has a phone, can take a photo and do their own parallel vote tallying. The chances of rigging elections this year are almost nil. So as far as we are concerned, we are confident that the Kenyan vote, any Kenyan who votes, their vote should count.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩta Gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.